Rover ants are among the more notorious ant species that infest homes indoors. While these ants don't cause any harm or structural damage, infestations can spread throughout a home quickly with large, rapidly growing populations. In this video, we'll show you how to identify a rover ant infestation, control the population, and prevent them from nesting on your property in the future. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Rover ants are tiny, with the workers growing up to 2 millimeters in length. Their body colors include shades of brown or pale yellow. The workers are monomorphic, meaning they all have approximately the same size and body shape. Like most species, the alates or reproductive ants have wings. They'll emerge in mating flights from spring to summer. The alates of rover ants are approximately the same size as their workers, not including wing length. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Rover ants are found throughout the southern United States. They can create nests indoors or outdoors. Outdoors, they establish colonies in soil, mulch, leaf litter, potted plants, underneath stones and pavement, in tree trunks and rotting wood. Indoors, rover ants can be found in areas with high moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens. They can also be found in electrical outlets, around plumbing, and around indoor plants. When inspecting indoors for rover ants, look out for ant trails and foraging activity. Follow the trails to their structural entry points to find possible nesting sites and food sources. Rover ants have been observed to have seasonal feeding habits. They prefer to target sweet foods, such as honeydew from aphids or scale insects, but during the late summer to fall, they'll rely more on protein-based foods. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. If you have a rover ant infestation indoors, start with an application of Ant-Trax Ant Bait. Eliminating ants indoors first ensures you won't deal with them when you treat outdoors later. Ant-Trax is a bait gel made with imidacloprid, a slow-killing insecticide. As ants encounter the bait, they'll bring it back to their nests to share, affecting the entire population before systemically eliminating the colony. Ants that have consumed the bait will have their nervous systems impacted, rendering them unable to function. Apply pea-sized drops on countertops, near window frames, in cracks and crevices, and near baseboards where you've seen rover ant activity. You'll also set bait near where you've seen ants emerge from their nests. Apply 0.006 ounces, or about 4 drops, per square yard and allow 7 to 10 days for the ants to consume the material and die out. Do not disturb or squish ants as you apply bait. When ants sense danger, they send signals to their nests that can result in an infestation branching and potentially becoming worse. Next, we recommend you apply FiPro foaming aerosol. FiPro is made with fipronil, a non-repellent insecticide. We recommend non-repelling products at this time to avoid disturbing ant activity. Spray along the lengths of cracks and crevices where you've seen ants travel and allow the foam to expand. In voids, spray long enough for the product to expand and cover the entire surface area. When applied properly, ants will travel through the treated areas without detecting the product and transfer the poison to the rest of the colony. Ants affected by FiPro will have their nervous systems impacted and die within a few hours. To avoid disturbing foraging ants, make applications when ants are not visibly active. One application of FiPro will control treated areas for up to 30 days. After ant activity indoors has stopped, apply a perimeter application around your structure with Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid suspended concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. Ants are especially sensitive to bifenthrin, so they'll stay away from areas you treat and prevent them from re-establishing. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. Supreme IT will need to be mixed with water. For residential treatments, you can mix and apply your Supreme IT in a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Mix 1 fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. Conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that ants can use to invade. We also recommend treating trees where you've seen rover ant activity. Then, spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Ants will be repelled from treated areas, stopping them from foraging indoors. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Ants invade homes in search of food, water, and shelter, so clean up in and around your home to remove these. Indoors, seal loose foods like cereal, flour, and pet food in airtight containers. Regularly take out the trash, wipe down surfaces, sweep or vacuum the floors, and dry the kitchen and bathroom sinks. Outdoors, rake away leaves and remove plant debris, trim away overgrown shrubbery and branches, and mow your lawn regularly to the grass's preferred mowing height. We also recommend you apply exclusion methods to block off potential pest entry points. Cracks and crevices should be sealed with caulk or an expanding foam like Sealator Pro. Look for thin cracks and openings in foundation, around window and door frames, and utility penetrations. Finally, keep up with preventive applications of your pesticide products. Supreme IT will last for up to 90 days in normal weather conditions, and FiPro will last up to 30 days. You can apply Supreme IT around your home's perimeter quarterly and FiPro once a month to maintain control year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop rover ants from infesting your home, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.